Well, our reporter Vanessa Poonah is on the scene, so let's take you there and just to find out what the latest is from that building collapse and, of course, the ongoing rescue operation, as well as we heard there also the minister urging those who were responsible for that site to actually get in touch with the families. Vanessa, good morning. So as the sun rises over George, what can you tell us at this stage?
Yes, good morning. And as the sun rises, as you say there, of course, the sad news just confirmed by the Western Cape Premier Alan Winde a short while ago is that a ninth person has now passed away. That, of course, was one of the patients that were critically injured when they were retrieved from the site behind me. So that now brings the death toll to 9. Of course, this morning we've just confirmed that the efforts to retrieve as well as to rescue continues for those 44 people still unaccounted for. Let me just step out of shot for just a second. You'll see that heavier machinery have now been brought in. There are just 2 trucks blocking the way at the moment. But of course, now the efforts are to remove tons of concrete from the site. Of course, a 5-story building that has collapsed, and those efforts will continue throughout the course of the day. We also confirmed from the disaster management officials that, of course, the sniffer dogs will be used again today, as well as all rescue efforts will still continue. Of course, it's now over 90 hours since this incident occurred, but hopeful still of finding people alive under the rubble. And of course, behind me, you'll see, if I can just show you to my left-hand side, of course, that is the Joint Operations Centre, and briefings take place throughout the day with new crew coming in, police officials as well as officials part of the search and rescue. We've seen the minister, the local government MEC here a short while ago, along with the Premier and the police, saying that this crime scene is still very much an active one, and also that they will support all the role players, because this is a joint effort to get to the bottom of what had occurred. And also then later on this morning, we do expect the Health Minister, Dr. Joe Phaahla, to make a visit to the site here, and also to visit those that are still in hospital with various degrees of injury, some critical. Of course, that one, yet another person had passed, and that now brings that death toll to 9. And of course, we will keep you updated throughout the course of this morning with any latest developments as the efforts to remove the rubble here behind me continue at the site in Victoria Road in George.
Well, thanks so much, Vanessa Poonah. Our eyes and ears out in George.